our final ICP where we need to create an application which will like add a calendar view to one of the existing activity. Like we are using the notification app, we need to display the current date, and whenever the user will click on any other date to create an event, that date should be displayed in our application. And we need to create a calendar view, and in the end we need to generate a signed APK. So let's move to the code here in main activity.java. So we are we are just creating like to access the calendar view. We are like using the RIDs. Then also to add event, we are using the plus button, which we can see it whenever the application is launched. So to get the today's date, we are using the get date instance with data format dot sort. So the current date will be shown, and whenever the user clicks on any other date, like to create an event, that date should be displayed whenever the user clicks. So to do that, we are using the set on date changed listener, and to like override it, we are using the change. And this is how the date we are gonna get the date and select and show the date selected there. Then there is a plus symbol on our application, which is to add the event. We have created it like on click event, where we have used implicit intent with action insert, where it will open and default calendar browser, calendar application from the from your device. And we have set an event like for all day long, so whenever the event will be created, it will be for all day. Then let's move to the activity main.xl. So this is just we have used the simple constraint layout as we have seen in previous IPs. So this is just a text view with like width, height, we have set it already, and the color, background, all of the information. And this is new, where we have used calendar view to show this box, and we have set its layout at the center, so like it will be good with our device. And then there is the button. It's just like drag and drop here. Whenever the user will click on this, it will open the application. So let's run this application and try. So application has been launched, as we can see. Sorry about this. So this is the calendar view example. So we have been like shown the current date, that is today's date, and whenever we click on any other date, that date has been displayed. So let's click on 15th and add plus symbol. So whenever I add plus symbol, all day event has been created, and it has been showed this event is from the notification app. And I have like given the location already, that UMKC Miller Nicholas Library room 351. And if I save this event, the event will be created. So for the 15th of December, this event is from notification app is created. So whenever I click on this, it is showing me that this event is on 15th of December, the location, and you can add note. So that's how it's been created. That's all about the ICP 7. Thank you.